Before you go through marks versus rank for GATE 2026 and you observe and analyze that list, it is very important to pay attention to what I am telling you right now. I am sure you were aware about the irregularities in GATE 2026 results. If somehow you were not aware, make sure to watch this video. This was a live session which I conducted where I have explained this. From this video, as we know that from rank 1 to rank 11 in GATE mechanical are absent, they are missing, they are not coming forward, they are not talking about their strategies, they are not giving interviews, they are not having any technical discussion, they are avoiding technical discussions at all. So we know the conclusion, what is the scenario, what has happened. I have discussed that in the video. The thing is that the best rank in GATE mechanical 2026, who is a genuine student, who came forward, who have studied from an institute and who is ready to have a technical discussion, who has in fact done discussion upfront, is All India rank 12. His name is Patnam Umesh Chandra. He is All India rank 12 of GATE mechanical and he is a full video course student of Exergic who has done an entire year of preparation with Exergic. So although my statement is going to sound biased, but it is what it is. It is a fact that the best mechanical rank in GATE 2026, which is genuine as per my conclusion and as per very visible facts, is All India rank 12. And if you analyze GATE 2026 mark versus rank, keep that in mind. I will share what is the marks of rank 1, rank 4, rank 10 and all that. But do note, those are most likely 99.99% they are not genuine students because of the reasons I have already discussed and in fact everyone has discussed so far. So consider that from the point of view of genuineness of the aspirant, rank 12 you can say is the real rank 1 this year. And I'm very proud to say that he is the student, full video course, study material, test series and question bank, entire course student of us of Exergic. Have a look at the list and then analyze.